It gives a thrust for women's education through the creation of additional jobs of 90,000 women in new polytechnics full stop paragraph change as against 2,000 colleges there are 9,000 colleges full stop. Distant education, which includes correspondence courses, account for 12% of the total enrollment in higher education full stop. India produces the largest number of graduates in the world full stop paragraph change. Provision of free education to all children up to the age of 18 years is enshrined in the directive principles of the state policy full stop. Determined efforts have been made to achieve this goal full stop. The number of primary schools has increased and the number of teachers has also increased accordingly full stop paragraph change. The gross enrollment increased from 40% to 95% in 50 years full stop. For upper primary, the gross enrollment ratio has increased from 12% to 67% during these years full stop. In other words, 95% of the rural population living in 8 lakh habitations have a school within a walking distance of 1 kilometer and 80% have the school within a walking distance of 3 kilometers from their home full stop close.